Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Laxflood sniffing and spoofing in Linux. A UDP inter-asterisk exchange packet was captured from an IX channel between two asterisk IPPBX. The content of that packet is the source of the payload for the attack embodied by this tool. While the IX protocol header might not match the asterisk PBX will attack with this tool, it may require more processing on the part of the PBX than a simply UDP flood without any payload that even resembles an IX payload. Let's open up terminal and type IX flood. Here you can see that basic usage of IX flood source name, destination name, new packets, type if config. Here you can see that our source IP address as 192.168.154.132. Let's flood the VoIP server from the source that is 192.168.154.132 to the destination that is 192.168.0.4 by sending 1000 packets. Type ixflood 192.168.154.132 space 192.168.0.4 space 1000. Here you can see that 1000 packets are sent to 192.168.0.4 host. Let's send 1 lakh packets. Here you can see that 1 lakh packets are sent to 192.168.0.4 host. That's it in this video on Laxflood, which is sniffing and spoofing tool. Thank you for watching this video.